This math lesson is lesson 2.2, Model Taking From. And in this lesson, at the end, you will be able to say, I can use models to take from a group. So as you can see, we have some kids on the playground. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 kids. Now I see that 2 are walking away. 2 walk away. So I want to know how many kids are still on the playground. So I'm going to use a number sentence. And in this case, I use a subtraction sentence. And I'm going to start with my how many I have all together. And we started with 8 kids all together. And since 2 walk away, we're going to subtract, and this is called a minus sign. So 8 minus, that means we're going to take away. And how many kids walked away? I have 2 kids that walked away. And then we put our equal signs. So we want to know what 8 minus 2 is when those 2 kids walk away from the group. And when we find that answer out, it's going to be called the difference. And I can do this by modeling and drawing or drawing a picture. So I'm going to put 8 cubes out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those stand for 8 of the kids. Now I know 2 walk away. So I'm going to circle 2 kids that walked away, and I'm going to cross them out. So I'm going to count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 kids that are left. And the answer would be the difference, but it would be 6 kids left. I can also draw a picture of that, and I can draw my 8 kids, and I'm going to just draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this time I'm going to draw a model or a picture. I know that 2 left, so I'm going to circle 2 and cross them out. And then I can count that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. Let's go to our next problem. I see that I have some cows. I want to know how many cows I have all together, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cows that I started with. But I see some cows walked away. So when they walk away, we will end up with less, so we are going to subtract, and that's the minus sign. And I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cows that walked away. And I want to know what that equals, how many I have left. And when I find what's left, that's called the difference. So I can look at my picture and I can see that there is still one cow in the fence. When I write that, that is my subtraction sentence. But I'm going to model that for you now. With my cubes, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cows, and I'm going to take away 4, and how I do that is I'm going to circle the 4 and cross it out, and I know I'm left with 1. I can also draw a picture of my model, and I can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can circle the part that is going away, which is 4, and then cross it off, and I'm left with 1. Here we go. How many penguins do you see all together? How many penguins did we start with? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you said that there are 8 penguins that we started with, great job. I see some penguins are leaving. So we're going to do our minus sign and subtract. 8 minus, how many penguins are leaving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you said 5 penguins are leaving, awesome job. And now we need to know how many penguins are going to be left. We want to know the difference. So how many penguins do you think are left? If you said 3, awesome job. That's what we call a subtraction sentence. This is our subtraction sentence. Let's go ahead and model our problem. We had 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 8 penguins. How many penguins went away? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to also circle them to make sure that I get them all in and cross them off. So how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. If I were to draw a picture of my model, I would draw 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will circle the 5. And cross them out. Awesome. So we still have our picture matches our model. Awesome job learning today.